Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can unlink your Facebook account from your Ubisoft account, so the both don't work with each other again. Now, it's very easy, let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is hop onto your preferred browser, sign into your Ubisoft account in the top right corner when you're on the Ubisoft website. Now from there, you head down to the account management, and inside the account management, it will open up this tab. Now from there you are on the account information, and here you scroll down till you find the linked accounts. Now as you can see, there's already a Facebook option. Simply press unlink and this will disconnect both Facebook from your Ubisoft account. Now here simply check the box right here, press unlink, and the process will happen automatically. Ubisoft will unlink the accounts. Now from there, they're not connected anymore, and that's about it. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.